Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how much to eat on a keto diet. To start, understanding your macronutrient ratios is crucial for success. The ketogenic diet is characterized by a very low carbohydrate intake, typically 5 to 10% of your daily calories. Protein should be consumed in moderation, making up about 15 to 30% of your total calories. The remaining 60 to 75% of your daily caloric intake will come from healthy fats, which become your primary energy source. Next, let's talk about personalizing your keto intake. Everyone's caloric needs differ based on factors like age, sex, weight, and activity level. Begin by calculating your basal metabolic rate, then adjust for your daily activities and weight loss or maintenance goals. Many online calculators can help determine your specific macronutrient targets. Consistent tracking of your food intake is essential to ensure you are hitting those personalized numbers and staying in ketosis. Now, let's focus on the most critical aspect, carbohydrate limits. To achieve and maintain ketosis, you must strictly limit your net carbohydrate intake. This typically means consuming 20 to 50 grams of net carbs per day. Prioritize non-starchy vegetables like leafy greens and broccoli and small amounts of low-carb fruits such as berries. Completely avoid grains, added sugars, and most processed foods, as they are high in carbohydrates. Always check food labels diligently for hidden carbs. Finally, let's discuss protein and healthy fats. Moderate protein intake is key, typically around 1.2 to 1.7 grams per kilogram of lean body mass, to preserve muscle without hindering ketosis. Too much protein can be converted into glucose, potentially kicking you out of ketosis. Embrace healthy fats from sources like avocados, nuts, seeds, olive oil, and fatty fish. These fats are crucial for satiety and provide the primary energy source for your body on the ketogenic diet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.